Hey guys, it's Abby in the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Gen 4 LED Headlight Kit from Sport Lighting, which is great if you're looking to upgrade your halogen bulbs to LEDs. LEDs are more efficient than halogen, but the typical concern with LEDs is that they overheat. Well, this LED kit from Sport has a patent-pending fanless rope heatsink design, which keeps the power diodes cool. This design also allows for it to be manipulated into tighter areas, still without the worry of overheating. These LEDs have a super bright output of 2700 lux, which is the usable amount of light output or how much light falls on the surface. Another perk of the Gen 4 kit is the headlight's 360 clockable base. This helps with proper mounting orientation to make sure you're getting the best light output and performance. Sometimes you can lose light output if the bulb is not positioned correctly, and the clockable base makes it easy to adjust. As far as installation goes, we would rate this a 3 out of 10, and it'll take you about an hour to do the low and high beams on both sides. If you've done a basic light installation before, this is a little bit more involved when it comes to fitting everything inside the housing, so if you're not confident doing this installation, be sure to check out our dealer locator below where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with this installation. The Gen 4 LED Headlight Kit from Sport Lighting has a 3-year warranty against any manufacturer defects. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Gen 4 LED Headlight Kits from Sport Lighting. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.